At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at a level of 7,077.4, and in approaching the closing time of the first session, the index was on the level of 7,048.22. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,056.04, and in short, JCI went down 0.5%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got transportation and logistics as the leader of the strengthening trend that went up 1.03%. Health went up 0.12%. Technology went down 2.15%, and non-cyclic went down 1.29%. Moving on to the top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BBRI went up 0.65% to the level of 4,630 rupiah per share. BBCA went up 0.57% to the level of 8,750 rupiah per share. Telkom went up 1.83% to the level of 4,450 rupiah per share, and Elsa went up 3.53% to the level of 352 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading. We got Bumi went down 3.7% to the level of 182 rupiah per share. Inco went down 3.7% to the level of 6,500 rupiah per share. Adro went down 1.76% to the level of 3,910 rupiah per share. And Unilever went down 6.92% to the level of 4,980 rupiah per share. Next, we are going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at a level of 15,524. Rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at a level of 15,416. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.74%. Metrodata Electronics managed to record revenue of 15.2 trillion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022, or grew by 25.7% year-on-year. As a result, Metrodata obtained a net profit of 371.4 billion rupiah.
Metrodata Electronics managed to record revenue growth of 25.7% year-on-year to 15.2 trillion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022. Of this total revenue, the contribution from revenue in the distribution business was recorded at 11.9 trillion, up 24.7% year-on-year. Meanwhile, the total revenue from the solution and consulting business was recorded at 3.6 trillion rupiah, an increase of 25.8%. The increase in revenue in the distribution business unit was contributed mainly from sales of notebooks and PC, which grew by 13%, as well as sales of smartphone products, which grew by 51%, and gaming products by 16%. Growth in the solutions business unit was mainly supported by sales to the financial services sector, which grew by 55%. As of the third quarter of 2022, Metrodata has also managed to record a net profit of 371.4 billion rupiah, an increase of 5.7% from the same period in the previous year. Along with the increasingly fierce competition in the information and communication technology business, Metrodata strives to be more adaptive in responding to the demands of the ever-changing market development. IDX Channel reports.